Why Makeathon? Yeah, I think all the students, they are learning a lot of stuff in the universities, but it's a lot of theoretical stuff, and I think it's the time that the students don't learn things but also do things, and that's the spirit of the Makeathon. Make, create, have fun.
It won't work perfectly, and the goal is to make it look like it works perfectly.
I'm doing the Makeathon 2019 in Munich, and I'm taking part in a solar car project. What I like especially about this Makeathon is that all the people are very communicative, they're very friendly, the atmosphere is relaxed, and so it's really fun to work here and even do night shifts, like today.
Nice people, cool atmosphere and much fun.
Thank you.
That's to you.